Hey, I'm Lois. Okay, hold on. Wait. In one of the housing poverty jobs that I used to work at, one of our clients used to pay us in cabbages. And so I started eating a ton of cabbages and grew love for this really understated vegetable. Tear the cabbage leaves and snip the chilies into 3/4-inch sections and shake out the seeds. Combine the sugar, salt, soy sauce, and vinegar in a small bowl with 1 tablespoon cold water and mix well. Heat the oil in a seasoned wok or pan over high heat and quickly add the chilies and Sichuan pepper. Stir fry until the spices smell wonderful and the chilies are darkening but not burnt. Then swiftly add the cabbage and toss everything together. Stir fry until the cabbage is piping hot and barely cooked.